are back once again for the 6th week of our fiber gifts. So we'll just do what we always do and look inside this box. Ta-da! Woo! It is the Yarn-It. It's actually kind of cool. It's like a yarn ball, but enclosed, which is nice because then you don't have to worry about pesky kitty cats getting at your yarn, and you also don't have to have this guy trying to run away on you. And also it keeps all the fuzz contained and also away from anything you have inside, which I like. So it has three separate places that you can pull your yarn through. And then it also has this neat little rubber foot, which is actually nice. It means it won't walk away on you. And then it also has underneath, if you peel it off gently, you have a strap in here so that you can carry it around if you like. And then also underneath is a little bit of storage. Keep the strap in there if you want to. But also this fits into any cup holder that you have in your car or on the airplane or wherever you are. You just dunk it right in there and it'll sit still. So this guy is going to go on sale on November 19th. It's going to be 12% off. So if you need a convenient little storage spot for your yarn, grab one of these.